TJ Houston here, and I wanted to do a real quick video just on something I screwed up. So part of this exercise is learning to light, what works, what doesn't work, and one of my mentors, James Schmelzer, who does phenomenal work. Chances are you've probably seen him at a trade show at Westcott or at Panasonic, but he's the one that I'm kind of studying under in order to learn how to light. So he called me earlier this week, and he explained a concept to me that I wanted to kind of share with you guys. So the image specifically that I'm looking at is this photo right here. So overall, and again, this is straight out of camera, and I wanted to look at this image because where I screwed up was on the shoulder. So if you look at the shoulder, you'll see that it's brighter than her face. So your eye immediately goes to that right shoulder. So this area right here. What I had was I had my Elinchrom light with the softbox right here, and this was closer than this was, which means this got more light, almost double light, because it's that much closer to the softbox. So what I would change for next time. Next time what I would do is I would probably take the diffusion panel off the top of the softbox, and so it's only half, so more light is going to hit the face than the shoulder. It becomes double diffused. Or I would put some type of scrim or something to cut down the amount of light that hits the shoulder right here. And while Jim and I was talking, James and I, Jim, or however you know him, when we were talking, he had a really good idea, and that was explaining light like sound. So right now, all of this sound is coming from here. So it's going to hit this area first before it hits the ear, and then this ear over here probably does not get very much sound at all. So it's using that idea of sound to see where is that going to hit first, what's going to hear the sound first, what's going to see the light first. Him explaining that is something that, you know, now when I shoot, I'm going to be thinking about that as far as, you know, is this light going to be too bright? Is it going to be brighter than, say, the face? That's all the stuff that I'm going to try to remember, and I want to share with you guys, because as I'm learning, I want this to be a learning lesson for you as well. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, actually, I'm sorry, there's one more thing. So this did not work because she did not have sleeves on. So I want to share the exact same lighting style, and it did work because she was wearing sleeves. So same type of lighting, big softbox right here hitting the face, and it did work because she was wearing sleeves. So it absorbed some of that light that was there, so it's not brighter than her face in this image. So it's, you can see here, because there was no sleeve, there was nothing to absorb that light. It does, especially right up here, it becomes too bright for the image. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at Lumix_TJ Houston on Instagram, or you can just message me through the site, through YouTube. However, I'm pretty easy to find. If you guys need absolutely anything, give me a holler. Thank you.